Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
The palette knife filter emulates the thick impasto strokes produced when an artist uses a palette knife to apply paint. Strong edges are first detected using a Sobel or Canny operator, then dilated to create bold outlines that mimic the knife's edge. These outlines are rendered with a configurable brush width, giving the impression of heavy, textured strokes. Next, the original colors are quantized down to a limited palette to enhance the painted look, and a subtle color shift may be applied to increase contrast. The outlined layer is blended with the quantized image, resulting in a dramatic, sculptural effect that turns a photo into a stylized, oil painting-like composition.